Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Hema again with an unboxing video. If you're new here, take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thanks a lot for your love and support. Let's quickly get started into the video. I'm going to speak about the Beauties Bag, which is priced at $4.99 plus shipping. And the beauty about this bag is that it includes a bag at this price point. So that is great deal. And this is how the packaging was done. It is through DTDC and I got this within 2 days of ordering. And the owner of this box is Afreen, and she was a homemaker and not anymore. She's an entrepreneur now, and I think she launched her first box in the month of March. And after getting the suggestions, she improved a lot, and I could see a lot of improvement in the choice of products now. And you can see she took the needed amount of time to do the packaging, and it was completely secured and reached me in perfect condition apart from one product. So I'm gonna give 9 out of 10 for the packaging. We will see why I'm giving 9 out of 10. And there was a plastic cover inside that, and inside this plastic cover the bag was kept. Inside the bag everything was neatly bubble wrapped. Okay, and I went with a 3-month subscription, so I did not pay any shipping, because when I go for a 3-month subscription, she said I can just pay the bag range, just the price, like $4.99 in 3, like 1,500. And also there are some free gifts. I will show that to you. So this is the bill which was there, like it's for 120. So I saved the shipping charges. Apart from that, I got free gifts. So let me start with the free gifts. This is the first gift for me, which is a makeup pouch. Actually it was a brush set, but I already had one like that, so I asked for options. She's ready to replace the products if we have any products, and if our choices are different, she's open for replacement of one product to another. That being said, this is a wonderful pouch, and I tried to take this off with my nails, but it is really tough. Even though I rub it off, 1 or 2 glitters is coming out, so it's of good quality. And the next free gift is this Bath and Body Essentials Green Apple Loofah Bar. This is from the last month box, I think, and it smells amazingly, and I'm so interested to try this. So I'm gonna keep this here. These are the free gifts. So now let's get into the actual products of May month. So the first one is obviously the bag. It comes with a handle like this. This part looks like a little bit childish or girly to me, but I'm happy about the color. And there is a zipper, and it's a 2 compartment. It's not a very big one, but a decent size, I would say, as a sling, and it has an attached sling to it which you cannot detach. So this goes here. And the quality, outer leather quality is completely fine, and the inner layer is also looks like the normal layer which we get in the bags. And I'm so happy about the bag. And there are some color options available, and it depends upon the stock availability, guys, so you have to rush if you want this specific color. And the next product is Fuschia Face and Body Mist. It's in the variant Rose Petals. We all know about Fuschia, and this is a 50 ml product. I have seen this product in different boxes before, but I have never used one. So, and the cost of this is 250 rupees, and it is manufactured in March 2018, so that is good. This goes there. And third product is this nose strip. I have mixed feelings about this because it's just a single time use, but good for traveling purpose, so this goes there. I don't want to speak much about that because it's just a one-time use. And the next one is the jewelry. I love this. This is a bracelet which has some charms, some pearls, and it is a golden finish. So it's not like completely gold like the yellowish one. It's look decent. So I love the choice of jewelry. And she also provides you a choice of earring. She did send that to me in the messenger, and she's only reachable through Instagram, so you cannot do order by WhatsApp. I just want to give that information. And the jewelry was like an Afghani earring, if I remember correctly, but I went with the bracelet because I have a lot of Afghanis with me. And the next product and the final product, no, this there is another product. So this product is into makeup, and I'm not so happy about this because it looks like Half and Half Cosmetics logo, and I assumed it was Half and Half Cosmetics. It's a glitter eyeliner. There are choice options, like color options available. You can either go with the golden variant or you can go with silver one. I went with golden one, assuming it is an Half and Half Cosmetics, but it was not. She clearly mentioned it as H&N brand, but I didn't read that properly, so it's my mistake. And there is no expiration or ingredients information available inside, on top of it, so that is why I'm not so happy about the product. And the last and the final product is the ToiKit. So this is the product which was actually damaged. You can see the paper, the color came out. It's a ToiKit of different variant. Hope you guys remember that in Fulkari box I showed you another ToiKit which is for 15 rupees. This is for 35 rupees because it has some seat sanitizer, like ToiKit seat sanitizer. You can see I wanted took this off to show this to you. Do you see just only a very minimal amount is left, and you can see the color came out here, and the sanitizer is completely empty, nothing is there inside. So probably it is damaged, a manufacturing damage or a transit damage. I'm confused. I'm not sure how it was damaged. Other than that, the hand wash is good, and the one tissue is damaged. Other than that, other tissues and the gloves are in perfect condition. So Afreen, please do ensure that if you have some bottles like this inside a product, do ensure that you put a sellotape on it or a bubble wrap to that, so that it will not a leak out of that specific package. So that being said, these are all the products I got. Did I miss out anything? No, I have everything on the screen. Apart from these two, these are the free gifts. You're gonna get 1 2 3 4 5 6 products for $4.99 plus shipping. I would say it's a decent deal, and the suggestions which I wanted to give to Afreen is, please do select a makeup brand which, even though it is in the affordable price range, we don't worry, but we want the information about ingredient or the expiration. If both are available, well and good. At least expiration, because I can use it within that time period, and I don't like products which doesn't have expiration or ingredients in it. So it's a personal information, it's a personal choice. But it is good that if we use any makeup products, it is branded. At least it gives the information what is in there, so we are aware of that. That being said, the second suggestion is, there is no info letter, or in the Instagram page there is no separate pricing is mentioned. That is the second suggestion. So please do give the separate pricing of each and every product. We know, of course, MRP of Fuschia is 250, this is 35. So apart from that, there is no other pricing information is there, so we cannot calculate how much we are saving. So when I went with 1,500, it looked like a best deal for me, like for the 3-month subscription. But even for the each and every month subscription, we should know how much we save, so that we feel more happy to buy this product. So that is the review about Beauties Bag, and it's a thumbs up from me for the bag, for Fuschia, and thinking about a hygiene product, that is wonderful, and for the jewelry. So I liked all those products, and please do leave your comments about how you think about the product and the bag. Your suggestions may help Afreen to come up with new ideas. So that's it, guys. Have a wonderful day, and love you all. Bye bye. See you in the next video.